How to get the repost button on TikTok. Hello everyone, welcome to this channel. I'm Emily and I'm here to help you out today. So without any delay, let's get started. So first of all, go to your TikTok application on your device and make sure that you're logged into your account. As you log into your account, all you have to do is tap on your profile over here at the right side of the screen, and then tap on the hamburger icon at the top right corner of the screen. Then tap on settings and privacy. Now just scroll down and then all you have to do is tap on the option of free up space, and here you just have to clear your cache. So clear the cache. After that, go back, and here you just need to make sure that you have the latest version of the TikTok application. So just go to Play Store application and search for TikTok. So here, as you can see, we don't have the update option available, which means we have the latest version of the TikTok application. Next, what you need to do is just go to the settings of your device, and as you tap on settings of your device, just tap on about phone and see if you have enough storage over here. So if you have storage, then go back and then restart your device, and this might help you solve your issue. So thank you so much for watching this video. See you next time.